Good afternoon, everyone. Teacher Paul here. Today I'm talking about our take-home project this month. Now this month we've been talking all about bevel gears. Bevel gears are a special type of gear that we can use to move a force around different angles. So we use normal gears to change the speed and the direction of a force, but using bevel gears we can change the angle of the force too. For that, we made our bug sweeping car. This car is super cool, right? And it uses 4 different bevel gears. We have one here, here, up here, and here. These bevel gears change the angle of the force from the angle of the wheels turning to the angle of this turning here. As you can see, I've set my one up with a big drive gear and small driven gear. So when the wheel turns, it drives these 2 bevel gears here, which then drives this bevel gear up here, which turns our drive gear and driven gear to move our mechanism down here. It was super difficult to build, but we all got there in the end anyway. Now today, your challenge when you go home is to make your own bevel gear mechanism. You don't need to make a car or make some special thing. It can be anything, just showing that you know how to use bevel gears. So actually, I have already made my project, and you can see it right here. This is a very complicated mechanism that uses 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 different gears. And you can see when I turn this handle here, it's driving this bevel gear, which turns this bevel gear, going down into this bevel gear, which turns this one, which comes to this normal gear here, down to this big gear, and there's an axle going through here which turns this small gear, which turns this big gear, which turns this bevel gear, which turns this bevel gear, which goes up here to turn this bevel gear, turning this bigger bevel gear, which turns our 2 gears here. And I've just put a little white bar on it so we can see that it does move even though it is very slow. Let's have a look here. You can see all of the gears are turning, although some of them are turning very slowly, right? In fact, it takes so long to make the white bar go around in one circle using this method. But it was really fun learning how to put together bevel gears into interesting combinations, and using them to work with regular gears as well was really great. See, I can turn it here and the handle will spin really fast. So that's my bevel gear mechanism, just showing how the bevel gears work. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Remember to send your videos into line here, and we'll have a look at them in our next class. Guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye.